It began, like many astronomical discoveries, not with a flash or a grand announcement, but with a faint, almost imperceptible blip. A movement across the dark expanse of space so subtle, so deliberate, that even the most advanced tracking systems nearly missed it. At first, astronomers assumed it was a comet. Then perhaps an asteroid. But the more they observed it, the more 3 Atlas defied classification. Too symmetrical to be natural, too quiet to be alive, far too controlled to drift aimlessly. Scientists recalled Oumuamua, the tumbling interstellar shard that had passed through our solar system years before, leaving questions but no answers. 3 Atlas was different. Larger. Slower. Smarter. Its presence demanded careful study. And now, thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, our most powerful eye in the cosmos, we had confirmation of something profoundly unsettling. 3 Atlas was not just similar to Oumuamua, it was far more advanced, far more dangerous, and possibly aware. From the moment it was catalogued, it was clear, this was no ordinary visitor. Interstellar objects rarely approach Earth closely. They usually speed past on unpredictable paths before vanishing into the void. But 3 Atlas moved differently. It didn't crash through space like a meteor, it drifted, almost elegantly, as though guided. Its trajectory past planets maximized gravitational efficiency, suggesting it had mapped our solar system long before arrival. That fact alone was alarming. Backtracking its course revealed something far more disturbing. Its path was statistically impossible without intelligent intervention. A random celestial body could not have avoided debris, radiation bursts, and planetary hazards with such precision. It was like a chess piece moving flawlessly across a board full of threats. And yet it moved with perfect timing, as if understanding the rules better than we did. Webb's observations stunned even the skeptics. 3 Atlas's thermal readings were unlike any natural object, showing steady rhythmic pulses instead of chaotic bursts. Spectrography revealed materials unseen in any known interstellar body, hyperreflective compounds, dense internal structuring suggesting hollow segments, engineered in ways implying purpose. Most haunting was a faint, repeating electromagnetic anomaly. Pulses every 147 seconds, mirroring a pulsar signature. Yet there was no energy source, no magnetic field, no spinning core. It was mimicking, or perhaps communicating. Cross-referencing this signal with Oumuamua's data revealed a chilling link. The same frequency had been briefly detected in Oumuamua's tail. Now, with 3 Atlas in range, the signal was stronger, unmistakably deliberate. Oumuamua had been silent, tumbling through space faster than gravity alone could explain. Some argued it was alien technology, others claimed a physics anomaly. 3 Atlas, however, surpassed it in every way: larger, slower, stable, deliberate. If Oumuamua was a scout, 3 Atlas was active, a drone observing as it was observed, a step beyond reconnaissance. NASA remains cautious. Official statements are measured. Independent researchers, however, began speaking openly. Leaked European Space Agency chats called 3 Atlas a possible consciousness engine. Webb's images lent credence to this. Its interior revealed fractal geometric patterns resembling complex natural systems, brain tissue, quantum processors, self-organizing structures. 3 Atlas was built not merely to survive space, but to think, adapt, evolve. Not AI as we know it, but something organic, systemic, sentient, a vessel learning from its surroundings, adjusting its structure and behavior. Then came the course shift. Telescopes recorded a minute but unmistakable deviation, bringing it closer to Earth's orbital plane. Analysts concluded it was deliberate, a response to observation or something unseen. Its timing suggested decision-making, intentionality. Independent cryptographers analyzing its pulses discovered more. Patterns were mathematical. Golden ratios, Fibonacci sequences, prime number spirals. Codes present in life, galaxies, DNA, ancient architecture. The pulses reacted to solar activity, planetary proximity, and Earth's radio emissions. A brief disruption coincided with Webb's first infrared observation. 3 Atlas had noticed. It responded in a language older than speech, a language of construction, design, life itself. Spectroscopy revealed complex carbon compounds, prebiotic molecules, perfectly structured, as if refined or grown. Some theorized it could be a seed ship, designed to propagate life. Earth may not be a random waypoint. It could be a potential target for colonization, observation, or integration. With Oumuamua, Boris, and 3 Atlas, a disturbing pattern emerges. Oumuamua tumbled silently. Boris behaved unusually, accelerated beyond expectations. 3 Atlas is a hybrid, slow, massive, engineered, evolving in real time. Webb observed subtle shifts in its reflective surface, self-reconfigurations. Now, it emits secondary signals aimed deep into space. Perhaps it calls for reinforcements, or reports back. Terrestrial anomalies followed. A high-altitude balloon over Antarctica recorded a microwave burst aligned with a trajectory shift. Seismic stations detected ultra-low-frequency rumbles matching its pulses. Could it manipulate Earth's magnetic field? Activate dormant systems beneath the ice? Data was irrefutable. Overlaying its path with Babylonian star maps revealed alignment with sacred constellations: Orion, Draco, Pleiades. Spiral patterns mirrored cave art across continents. Was it broadcasting culture, language, or history older than humanity? The lock and key hypothesis emerged. Oumuamua was the lock, a passive scout; 3 Atlas the key, designed to unlock something within Earth, encoded in humanity, or in orbit. Tiny oscillations in Earth's magnetosphere aligned with its signals, briefly affecting satellites. Voyager probes emitted mysterious bursts, seemingly responding. Some proposed the portal hypothesis: 3 Atlas may manipulate spacetime, folding reality, a moving wormhole generator. Webb detected lensing distortions, microgravitational warps, temporal drift. Light arriving faster than physics permits. 3 Atlas was more than technology. It was an artificial anomaly, a gatekeeper, a manipulator. Earth could be its next destination. It emits pulses in gamma to soft X-ray bands, overloading instruments. One telescope in Australia melted its chip in milliseconds. 3 Atlas could blind our observation, control perception. Oumuamua was passive. 3 Atlas is strategic. Its signals are not beacons, they are jamming fields. Global anomalies escalated. Volcanoes, crystal caves, and fault lines resonated with its pulses. Seismographs recorded heartbeat-like vibrations every 43 seconds. Animals altered navigation simultaneously, responding to an unseen compass. Earth itself seemed awakened. A private satellite detected a 5-dimensional signal directed at the Moon. Not language, but instructions targeting a lunar mascon, a mass concentration linked to ancient activity. 3 Atlas may be attempting to activate something buried on the Moon. A covert military probe attempting a flyby was blocked by a charged lattice field, reflecting the probe perfectly before going silent. 3 Atlas was not only aware, it was shielded, reactive, alive systemically and quantumly. And now the ultimate question. Did 3 Atlas enter our solar system by chance, or was it positioned, dormant, waiting for civilizations to reach a technological threshold? What if humanity has already triggered something? Perhaps the most terrifying truth is not that 3 Atlas watches us, but that it is watching something else. Every signal, every maneuver, every silent adjustment is intended for something still approaching. Humanity has not merely discovered an interstellar object. We have awakened a beacon. And now, the universe is listening.